Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and I'm going to teach you about living things and non-living things. Now, I will review what we learned first, and then I will teach you some new things. Okay, let's start from the beginning. What is a living thing? What is a non-living thing? I hope you remember. A living thing is something that is alive. It has life. Shiwit. In Thai, you say shiwit. So when something has shiwit, it is alive. So we call it a living thing. Now, if it doesn't have life, if it may me shiwit, we call it a non-living thing. Okay, so let's see. Living things need three things. Actually, living things need many things, but today we're going to talk about three things only. Firstly, they need food. As you can see from the picture of the cow here, look at here. We need food. I need food, you need food. Animals outside like a bird, fish, they all need food. Plants also need food. And then water. Water is very important to living things. We all need to drink water. Plants need water to grow. And a lot of things like fish use water to live. So you see, water is very important to us. And then we have air because we breathe air and our body makes energy from it. So let's see what else makes something a living thing. So living things can move like this one. See, the man can move, I can move, you can move, animals can move. Plants can also move too, but not like us. They cannot jump, swim, or fly, no. But they move very little by little. For example, there are some plants that follow the sunlight. So if the sun is here, the plant aims this way. If the sun is here, the plant aims this way. So plants move as well. And then we have grow. Grow means you from a baby become a kid, and from a kid become an adult. Now, same thing for kittens. You see, first it's a kitten, then it's a young cat, and then it's a cat. It's an adult cat. Plants are the same. They grow. All living things grow. When they're born, they start from little and they grow bigger and bigger and bigger as they become older. Now, next one, which is a new word for you, reproduce. Now, I know this word is a little hard to say, so please repeat after me. Reproduce. Reproduce. Okay. Now, what is reproduce? Reproduce is that animals or living things make more of themselves. For example, we have a mama bear and we have a papa bear. Together, they make a baby bear. Or we have plants. Plants together make baby plants, and the plant also grows. Or in this picture, look at here. A papa hen, a papa chicken, which is a rooster, and a hen with a chicken, they make eggs together. Now the egg becomes a chick. This is called reproduction or reproduce. Also fish too. There is a papa fish, there is a mama fish. Together, they make baby fish. This is called reproduce. This is the thing that living things can do. But non-living things cannot do these things. Non-living things cannot move. For example, a car. Yes, when you drive a car, it moves. But it's moving because you are moving it. If you let the car out, it's not going to walk. It's not going to run. It's not gonna fly or swim by itself, okay? So, non-living things cannot move. And grow, non-living things cannot grow. For example, this bottle of water, is it gonna grow and become bigger and bigger and change? No. Or reproduce. Non-living things, look at this one. If I put this here, can this become more bottles? No, because it cannot reproduce. Okay, so let's ask the questions. Is it living? As you remember, we asked 4 questions. Does it need food, water, and air? Does a lion need food, water, and air? Yes, it does. Can it move? Yes. Can it grow? Yes. Does it reproduce? Does it make baby lions? Yes. So it is a living thing. Now we ask the same question about these plants. Does it need food, water, and air? Yes, it does. Plants need food, water, and air. Can it move? Yes, not that much, but a little bit. But they can still move by themselves. Can it grow? Yes, it does. It can grow. Does it reproduce? Yes, it does. It can make more plants. Now let's go to the next one. Oh, a tiny snake. I love tiny snakes. They're so cute. Does it need food, water, and air? Yes, it does. Can it move? Yes, it can. Can it grow? Yes, it can. It can become a super big snake, which is very scary. I don't like that one. Does it reproduce? Yes, they make baby snakes. Now, what about this one? It's a teddy bear. Does it need food, water, and air? No, it doesn't. Can it move by itself? No, it cannot. Can it grow? No. Does it reproduce? No. But I would love it to reproduce. Imagine you have one teddy bear and it makes more teddy bears. But unfortunately, teddy bears, toys, non-living things cannot reproduce. Okay, look at these animals. We have a dog and a goat. They do need water, they do need food, and they do need air. They can move, they can grow, and they can reproduce. So they are living things. Now let's look at this one. It's a rock. It doesn't need food, water, or air. It cannot move. It cannot grow. And it cannot reproduce. So it's a non-living thing. Now let's look at this one. Oh, it's a cute car. I like it. It doesn't need food, water, or air. It cannot move. It cannot grow. And it cannot reproduce. So it's a non-living thing. Now let's look at this one, a tree. Does it need food, water, and air? Yes, it does. Can it move? Just a little bit. Can it grow? Well, yes, it can. It can become a super big tree. Does it reproduce? Yes, big trees make smaller trees. So it is a living thing. Now let's learn more about living things, okay? We are going to talk about 3 types of living things. First one is called humans. Humans. You see, we have all types of humans. We have small humans like babies. We have big humans like teacher. We have humans of different color, different shapes, from different places. I'm a human, you're a human, we're all humans. And then we have animals. You see, we have so many different animals. And animals live in different places. Some of them live in the ocean, like marine animals like fish, whale, dolphin, shark. Some animals fly like birds. Some animals live in the jungle. Some live in the forest. Some live in anywhere. like rats. So we have many types of animals. We have animals so small that you cannot see it with your eyes. You need a microscope to see. And you also have animals bigger than 3 buses together, like a blue whale. See, we have different types of animals too. And then we have plants. Oh my God, there are so many different types of plants. So many colors, so many shapes. Some of them are super beautiful. Some of them are very dangerous. Some of them are very delicious. So we have different types of plants. Now, let's learn more about humans. As I said, we are all humans. Humans come in different colors, different shapes. Now, we are all human, okay? No matter what color you are, no matter what shape or size you are, we are all humans, okay? And we are living things. Now, we have animals. Oh my God, look, so many different type of animals. Look at here. We have invertebrates, like these animals. They're like, they don't have bones. We have fish. Obviously, you know them. We have amphibians. We have reptiles, like snakes and turtles. We have birds. By the way, we also have humans. Humans are also a type of animals, okay? Which is this one. Now, and we also have mammals. We are mammals too. Okay, we don't have to learn all this stuff, but I just want to tell you that we have so many different types of animals. We have so many different sizes, shapes, colors of animals. But remember, they are all animals. The tiny ant is an animal and it is a living thing. So we have to be kind to them. We have to be nice to them, okay? So remember that. Then we have plants. Oh my God, look at here. We have wildflowers, we have flowers, we have herbs, mushrooms, fern, we have corn, ooh, we have grass, we have bush, we have tree, we have bamboo. Oh, these are all plants. And remember, plants are also living things. So for example, if you see a beautiful flower, don't go and take it. When you take it, the flower dies. Then it's not a living thing anymore. It becomes a non-living thing. So if you love flowers, see the flower, smell the flower maybe, don't touch it because sometimes they have spiky. And you can water the flower and enjoy it. But don't take it. When you take it, it dies. So remember, plants are also living things. So be nice to them. Okay, so let's look at this picture. Let's point out living things we see. First, let's start with humans. We see a human here. Ooh, we have a human girl. Next, oh, look at here. We have a human boy. And, oh, we have more humans back there. And then, boom, we have a human sleeping here. Okay, now we start with animals. Look, we have birds here. Ooh, so many of them. We have more birds back there if you look closely. And we have plants in this picture. Look at here. We have this tree. We have grass here. Oh, we have more grass on the other side. So we see we have living things all around us. But we also have non-living things all around us. So let's talk about living things a bit more. Living things need food and water. This is very important. Now, food for me and you, for us humans, is different from food for animals. Some animals only eat plants, but some other animals eat only meat. They eat other animals. Now, humans can eat both meat and plants, like vegetables, like carrots and all those stuff. So you see, food is different for us. Plants also need food, but they make their food by themselves. They get their food from the ground, from earth. And let's talk about water. We all need water. We all need water to drink, to wash ourselves. Now, there are some animals like fish, like marine animals, that they live in water and they breathe in water. So water is very important to us all. Now, next one is air. Living things need air. We all need air to breathe. Plants need air as well, but it's different for them. Humans, we breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. Plants do the other way. They breathe in carbon dioxide and they give us oxygen. That's why plants are very, very important to us, because they give us oxygen. Now, all living things need air, okay? Even fish need air. Birds need air. All animals, all living things need air. So, living things can move. You see, as I said, we humans can move, animals can move, such as birds. Look at this little rabbit. Fish can move, plants can move too. You see, this video is super, super fast. The real speed, you cannot see the plant move. But if you have a camera and you record a video and put it on super fast, you can see the plant move. Now it shows that it is a living thing, just like us. Some plants, like some flowers, they open in the day and they close at night. It's very cool. Okay, so it means that living things can move. Can you move? I'm sure you can. Okay, so let's read this together. When things can move by themselves. When things can move by themselves, it means that I want to move, so I move. That means I am animate. I am animate. Now, things such as animals are also animate, because if they want to move, they can move. Or some plants are animate too, because they can move by themselves. Now, at the same time, let's read this one. When things can't move by themselves, we call them inanimate. Inanimate. Now, inanimate means that things cannot move. Can you think of an example? Non-living things. All non-living things are inanimate. For example, this mouse is inanimate because it cannot move by itself. Or chair. Chair is inanimate because it cannot move by itself. Or my phone. My phone is inanimate. It cannot move by itself. But let's say a bird that's flying outside. Is it animate or inanimate? It's animate because the bird can move by itself. Now, what about a fish? Is fish animate or inanimate? That's right. Fish is animate because it can move by itself. Now, what about this plastic bottle? Is it animate or inanimate? It's inanimate. Can this go around and fly around or jump? No, only I can move it around. Now, non-living things are inanimate and living things are animate. Now, some living things may not move much, so they seem like they're inanimate, like a tree. A tree looks like it's inanimate, but it moves very little by little. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Living things can grow. Look at this little chick. Look at this human. Look at this doggy that started as a puppy. You see, all living things grow. It means they become bigger as they get older. A human starts as a baby, becomes a kid, and an adult. Look at this little chick. At first, it was in an egg. See, now it's a beautiful bird. See, it started from here, and it ended as a beautiful bird. Well, look at this fish. Look at this fish. It started from this little guy, and then it's whoop, whoop, and then, oh, it's a big fish. Or look at this plant. It started from very, very small, and it grew bigger and bigger. So, living things can grow, but non-living things cannot grow. Okay, now, living things can reproduce. As I said, living things can make more of themselves. They can have babies. Look at here. Papa horse and mama horse have a baby horse. Papa dolphin and mama dolphin have a baby dolphin. Rooster and this little hen, they had all these chicks. Or these foxes. They had this little baby fox. That means that they can reproduce. Living things can reproduce. Okay, everyone. That's it for today's class. I hope you learned more about living things and non-living things. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye-bye.